Lesson 5, Working with Jobs. Part 1, Creating a Job. Rename the package name. Click Yes. Select the Encrypt Sensitive with Password from Protection Level drop-down list. Then type password in the package password. Save all changes. Open SQL Server Management Studio. In the Object Explorer, connect to an instance of SQL Server Database Engine. Expand the SQL Server agent. Right-click the jobs, and then click the New Job. On the General page, in the Name box, type a name for the job. Type Step Name, select SQL Server Integration Services package, and then select File. Type or browse to the path to the package. Click the Execution Option tab and type the package password. Click OK, and then click the Schedules tab. Click New button. Type the name, select Daily option and type the start time. Click OK twice. Manually start the job. Job is working correctly. Part 2, Reviewing a Job. Expand the jobs, right-click the ETL transactions and click the View History. You see the status and duration of the job. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.